Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. When it comes to savings, each person has their own preferences. The savings instrument a person chooses depends based on factors such as the amount one can afford to save, the preferred time horizon, the purpose of saving, and more. However, fixed deposit accounts have been a popular choice for saving money. This is because FD accounts do not depend on market variations and have a set interest rate over the specified deposit tenure. In addition, 5-year FDs get a tax benefit under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Therefore, many risk-averse individuals choose FD accounts. In this video, let us find out the details of FD schemes offered by Union Bank of India. I am sure that you are curious to know the current interest rates offered by the bank for fixed deposits. Here, let us take a look at the interest rates for a deposit sum less than Rs 2 crore effective from 1 September 2020. For a deposit tenure between 7 days and 14 days, the FD rates for regular customers is 3% per annum and for senior citizens it is 3.5% per annum. Similar rates prevail for a period of up to 45 days. For a tenure of 46 days to 90 days, the interest rate applicable is 3.75%. In the case of senior citizens, the interest rate is 4.25%. The interest rate for a tenure of 91 days to 120 days is 4.25%. For that of senior citizens, it is 4.75%. For a tenure of 121 days to 180 days, the interest rate applicable is 4.30%. For senior citizens, it is 4.80%. For a deposit tenure from 181 days to less than 1 year, the interest rate for regular customers is 4.50% and for senior citizens, it is 5.00%. If you choose a tenure of exactly 1 year, then the interest rate will be 5.25% for regular customers and 5.75% for senior citizens. For any tenure that is greater than 1 year up to 3 years, the interest rate will be 5.25% for regular customers and 5.75% for senior citizens. For a tenure that is greater than 3 years up to 5 years, the interest rate for regular customers is 5.30% and for senior citizens it is 5.80%. Lastly, for a tenure that is greater than 5 years up to 10 years, the interest rate for regular customers is 5.40% and for senior citizens it is 5.90%. For interest rates on deposits higher than Rs 2 crore, you are requested to contact the nearest bank branch. Let us take a look at the features of FD accounts offered by Union Bank of India. The minimum amount required to open a FD account with the bank is Rs 1000. There is no maximum limit on the deposit amount. You can avail loan facility on the FD amount. Get competitive interest rates on all FD schemes. Senior citizens can avail 0.5% higher rates as compared to regular customers. Interest will be paid on a quarterly or half-yearly basis as per the instructions set by the customer. Easy and fast liquidity options are available. In the case of premature closure of the account, interest will be paid for the period of deposit at the applicable rate. However, a penalty may be applicable. Nomination facility is available to any family member. Even your spouse can be nominated. On maturity, deposit will be auto-renewed for the same period at the applicable interest rate in the absence of specific instructions. For a deposit amount less than Rs 1 crore, no penalty is charged on premature closure. For deposits exceeding Rs 1 crore, a 1% penalty will be applied on the interest rate. Now, let us find out who can open an FD account with Union Bank of India. Single accounts, 2 or more individuals as a joint account, illiterate persons, blind persons, minors, associations, clubs, societies. In addition, trusts, institutions and agencies specifically permitted by the RBI are eligible to open fixed deposit receipt accounts in single or joint names. Documents required to open an FD account are 1. Identity proof, that is, ration card, voter ID, driver's license, passport, PAN card, etc. And 2. Address proof, that is, passport, utility bills, bank passbook statement, etc. Now, let us know the most important aspect of fixed deposits, that is tax benefit. Union Bank of India offers a special tax-saving FD scheme called Union Tax Saver Deposit with a minimum lock-in period of 5 years. Individuals, minors and HUFs are eligible to open this account. The minimum deposit amount is Rs 5,000 and in multiples of Rs 1,000 thereafter. The maximum limit here is Rs 1.5 lakhs. The deposit you make under this scheme earns tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. Note that if the interest earned on your fixed deposit is more than Rs 40,000 per year, then tax will be deducted by a bank at 10%. Following the deduction, a TDS certificate will be provided by the bank. As a COVID-19 relief measure, the TDS rate is reduced from 10% to 7.5% from 14 May 2020 to 31 March 2021. Having said that, are FDs the best way to save? FD schemes promise security and steady gains and hence are a preferred investment instrument for many. Banks offer competitive interest rates with a variety of lock-in periods catering to the needs of a wide range of investors. However, low risk transcribes to low returns. From a wealth creation perspective, mutual funds help you achieve your financial goals to a certain extent, given that you make the right choices on a timely manner. Mutual funds have an edge over fixed deposits with regards to tax liability based on the category of mutual funds you invest in. For example, capital gains on redemption of equity funds such as ELSs are liable to 10% tax above a threshold exemption of Rs 1 lakh. Besides the returns, the investment made in ELSs in itself is eligible for tax deduction of up to Rs 1.5 lakh per financial year. Thus, ELSs has the potential to offer higher capital appreciation. Also, ELSs comes with a smaller lock-in period of 3 years in comparison with the 5-year lock-in period of a tax saver FD scheme. I hope my video was informative. Please like and share my video. Subscribe to ClearTax channel and hit the bell button to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thank you.